Hi guys, my name's Omnia. This is Omnia's Wish. Welcome to my channel. I got a haul, but I'm really excited. Like, it's not a haul, it's, oh my god, I'm just excited. These arrived today. These are all the triple vitamin. I did order their base and I have their base. I haven't used it yet, but I found a good place that sells it pretty cheap. Better than Amazon because we're not buying from Amazon anymore. Cancel my thing. So I got the keratin bond, the base, the activator, the top coat, cuticle oil, and the brush restore. So there was that. I just want to say that, show you that real quick. And finally, my first Sparkling Co subscription, the LUX bag. I haven't even cracked it open. I was waiting. So I'm going to open this up. I know other people have seen it already because I got it late. Today's June 1st. But I'll explain that when we're going through the stuff. So I'll be back in a minute. Sorry, I'm back. Okay, the first thing is this really soft, cute, like armrest. It's very soft. I don't want to take it out of the package yet. Just because I just don't want to take it out of the package. And plus, this is going to make a lot of noise. I should have taken it out before I came back, but oh well. But it is soft. That'll be nice when my niece comes over. And then this beautiful, like, beach towel. It's that nice, like, linen material. These are excellent for, as to use as a, not only as a, at the beach, but as like a shower towel, because they dry real quick. It's Turkish cotton, cold wash, air dry, made in Turkey. Yeah, and these are good for your hair as well. I have one that I use for my hair. I never put a towel next to my head. Always something like this, but it's smaller. And then everything came, well, a lot of things came inside this pretty organza bag. I got a block, a buffing block. Seems, yeah, same. This side's more scratchy than this side, so that's good. Other little doodads. We got this little cutout of California. We got that. We got a car. Go this way or this way? I guess it doesn't matter. I saw some lady comment that she makes magnets out of these, which would be cute because a closet door is made out of metal. And then a palm tree and a sticker. Ocean breeze. Palm trees. Beach colors on my nails, please. There's that. There's 3 things. And then we got the dip powders. I had a few of these in my cart. Thank God I went and looked at somebody's video to see if it was going to be in this bag. This one is California Dreaming. Ooh, pretty, pretty. That white is gorgeous. This was in my cart. I almost just bought it. And then the next one I see is Beach Bonfire. It's like a pretty, it's not a neon orange, but it's a pretty orange. Almost like creamsicle. That's what it reminds me of, a creamsicle orange. So that's pretty. Then we got Hollywood Vine. This was in my cart too because there's a secret shopping area for people with a subscription box. Yeah, so you know I'm gonna love this one. It's green. How could I not? And then Beverly Hills, which is this one, I don't know, can you see the sparkle in that? I got the camera up higher to make room, so I have more room for my hands. But it's so pretty, so pretty, so pretty. And there is a regular nail polish. This is the swatch. I'm glad that they come with swatch sticks. That's it. Jesus, I can't figure out where I am anymore. Damn, camera's up so high I can't see. I'm too short. I can't see. I don't know if that's focusing, but there's like a glow in it. A very pale lavendery pink kind of color with like a gold shimmer. It's very, very pretty. And I guess the extra item, I don't know. I'm not sure. This is my first time, so I'm not sure how it goes. We got a cuticle softener. And I wonder if this is that same kind that you put on your cuticles and it kind of just like eats it away. So then you can just push it back. I don't know. I'm not opening it yet. So this towel, I guess, was from sandcloud.com. They give you a card here. Save the fishies. 10% of profits go towards marine conservation. So they're pretty big towels, as you can see. So that'll be nice. I mean, it is nice. I have it now. It's nice. It's nice. So because this is a gift to me from my daughter for Mother's Day, she paid for 3 months, and they don't have like how Maniology you can buy 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, 12 months in advance. They don't have that option. So I asked, should I buy a gift card and do it that way? And the girl said no, to send her the money via PayPal. So that's what I had to do. So then like in my account, it doesn't show that I have a subscription. Like I had to DM her on social media and on Facebook, and she ran and found my order. It was in regular orders, not in the subscription orders. That's why mine arrived so late. So there is a referral program that I would have to get her to give me a link to put down below. But if you use my link to sign up, because they do have this one is $45, $44.95, something like that. This is a LUX. They got the standard, and I think they got like 3 or 4 different types of subscriptions, like in size. Like the biggest one is I Want It All, because they sell gel polish and all that jazz. So yeah, because I know every month you get an extra liquid. So this was the extra liquid, which was a regular nail polish, which is perfect for me because I'm a nail polish wearer. So I will contact her and get my code and leave it down below. If anybody wants to sign up under me, that will be fine. If you do, I will receive $18 credit, and so will you. And it will be emailed it will arrive by email within 3 weeks. And as many people can sign up. And once you sign up, then you'll get your code, and people can sign up under you, and then it just keeps going on and on and on and on and on. So I will have, I don't know what to tell you what my link is, my referral name is, because I don't know what they have, because they already spelt my name wrong. So I don't know. I'll have to talk to her, and I'll leave that information down below. I'm not really showing the card. It's California Dreamin'. So, all right, what's in? You get what's in the 2020 May subscription? If you got the one with, if you got the gel pot, I think there's a subscription that's just gels also. So if you don't dip, you can just get the gels. Sun-Kissed on Sunset, which is number 170, 171 Malibu, and 172 Glistening Sand, Nail Polish Cali Girl, and the Cuticle Softener. Sparkle & Co. Swatch rings are available on the website. Oh, there's instructions on how to use the Cuticle Softener, and the contest announcement due by June 5th. I think I saw it in the group. It's like taking a picture, like do a mani, take a picture with the stuff that you got, something like that, whatever. So yeah, so I'm totally happy that this finally arrived. I'm happy with the colors. I'm so glad I didn't buy these. But I do have an order on the way, and then hopefully the June subscription bag will arrive on time like everybody else's does. And yeah, these are them. They're so pretty. They're so pretty. And what else did I want to show you real quick? Oh, I got this when I went to the Dollar Tree yesterday. Ain't he cute? The little llama. I love llamas and sloths. Those are my favorite animals. Llamas and sloths. So I just have my little ring on here and my penny just to show how small my nails are. I don't know why, but whatever. And was there anything else I want to show you right here? Ooh, yeah. Dollar Tree finds. I went in to get some cards for people because lots of birthdays in the summer, and excuse me. I got this organizer. Just sits on the table. I haven't even cracked the seal because I have another one sitting over there, but it's different than this. And then I found those trays. This one broke, like on the side, but that's fine. Oh, this one must have broke too. Yeah, the two top ones broke. But these are cute, just to put little... Ooh, that squeaky noise sounds horrible. Yeah, they're cute. So, I think there's 12 here. So, that was it. I'm so excited that my Sparkle & Co. has finally has arrived. I like everything so far. So good. I'm probably going to do a mani. And yeah, so this is my first Sparkle & Co. subscription. Everything's pretty, and I probably cannot fit it all into the picture, but yeah, these are them. Pretty, pretty, pretty. And the armrest over there too, and this towel. So it's good value for your money, and these sizes are good enough for me. They sell them like an ounce too. An ounce I think is like $18 on the site. That's a lot of money, and I mean, who would need an ounce of any one color other than like maybe it's you're doing French nails, you want white or clear, or your favorite nude to do French nails. As much as I love green, I don't need an ounce of it. But yeah, pretty, pretty, pretty. All right, I'll just keep talking. So that's it. That's my Sparkle & Co. A little bit of some other liquids that arrived, and a little bit of dash of Dollar Tree. So thanks for joining me. Hope everybody's being safe and doing well. And yeah, thanks. Have a good day. Remember, like, subscribe, do all that YouTube crap. Bye.